So, apparently, the owner of Vertical Doors Inc., yes, the actual owner, decided to jump in the comments of one of our posts this morning and say, don't buy from Eikon. I've got to say, it's a bold marketing strategy. I mean, most companies run ads or improve their products, but hey, if leaving hate comments on competitors' posts are your thing, by all means, go for it. Now, I never tell anyone where not to buy. I just find it interesting that this company that's claiming to be the original feels threatened enough by innovation that they have to type instead of tightening up their own design. The difference between Eikon and Vertical Doors is pretty simple. We evolve, they recycle. We test, improve, and engineer, they copy and comment. And while they're busy typing, we're here in hotels, out actually installing doors. So to the owner of Vertical Doors, Louis, thank you. Sincerely, every time you mention our name, our traffic spikes. So much so that you've probably sold more of our kits this month than we have. So thank you. So for everybody watching, do your research, watch the installs, talk to our customers, talk to real C8 owners with the V2 series on their car, and see why they chose the V2. Because innovation doesn't need permission, especially from the guy who told you where not to buy from. We are Vertical Doors. Simply better. And apparently better at handling competition too.